Today, we will show you how to change the language in the RedNote app. Open the RedNote app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home page, in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see 3 lines that you will click on. In the drop-down menu on the next page, look for the Settings option located in the lower left corner of the screen and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open. Look for the General Settings option in the drop-down menu and click on it. Scroll down to the Languages option and click on it. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list and tap on the language you want to use. The app will automatically update to the selected language. Some apps may require you to restart them for the changes to take effect. If prompted, simply close and reopen the app. That's it. You have successfully changed the language in the RedNote app. Now you can enjoy using the app in the language that suits you best.